Knowing how to do something is not the same as managing the responsibility for it. So the team knows how to do the washing up. They know how to make food, they know how to use the phone, they know life, and information. Why are you still wondering? Why are you still organising things? Why does so much of their life still seem to live inside your head? I don't know. Adulting is a skill set that we all need to utilise, use, and we all manage it to varying degrees. So for cooking, the laundry, the washing out, managing money, appointments, how to get to places, they all matter. But if we put this onto just a checklist, so then they can do something, does it make them actually do it? Okay, so can give, if we tick off that they can do the washing up, it can give a false sense of their independence. They know how to wash it, do they know when to wash it? Do we know how to, or do they know how to use the washing machine? All of these things, they are task-based. Being able to do the task and being able to organise the tasks are separate. So yes, they can do the washing up, but do they know when to do the washing up? Yes, they can wash their own clothes and know how to use that machine. But can they manage washing that machine? Using that machine to wash the clothes. And then when they wash their clothes, can they get them out of the machine, put them somewhere to dry or use the dryer? It's all. And then if we add in how to manage the managing, so it's not just young people that struggle with this. We know how to do things. We know how to manage the things, but do we know how at work, when to start the thing, when to go to the next phase of the thing? So let's look at it in 3 phases. Okay? So the confidence they feel to take on this task. Are they worried about getting this task wrong? Is it too much for them? The next phase, are they capable? Do they understand that how to breathe it? Do they have the skills to be able to do this task? Not just one step, the whole task. And then we've got the support side. What support is going to help them to take more responsibility to do the task? So do they need the reminders? Do they need calendars? Do they need visual prompts? Do they need an app? Do they need checklists? They do that alongside the task itself. So it's the support. It's not the opposite of the independence. The support is there to make the independence accessible, possible. But you're not going to do it. You're going to support the task. You're not going to do the task. So it's giving them the skills, giving them the accessibility so that they're going to know to do the task. But because they haven't done the task and you've asked them to do the task, they don't need to say they can't do the task. So you've asked them several times to go back maybe to go to uni. And we're on the day before. Yeah, I know. And you're getting frustrated. But let's look at their side, what's going on in their heads. In their heads, they are leaving the family home. In their heads, They've got to make sure they've got everything that they need that they need to need, but everything that they want to need. They might be moving to the next phase of their lives, but there are certain things that they will need to support them that need to go with them. And as a parent, you need to step out and allow them to do the task their way. You need to ask them what support they need to do the task their way. So it's not a matter of, can you do this task? There is a matter of, how can I support you to do this task? So you're not doing the task, you're supporting them to do the task. Different. But all making sense. We're giving them the skills to do these tasks, we're showing them how to do these tasks. The task is probably, in the grand scheme of things, not the problem. But getting a task started, and let's get people after the task is complete. We see the task, we'll see a bit of the task. So, in the next video, we're going to do a little bit more deeper dive into why they aren't actually doing it. Why aren't they actually doing this task that they are more than capable of doing? Hopefully that's been useful. I will speak to you soon. Bye.